Hey, what's good everyone? Welcome back to AI Elevate Mastery. I'm your boy Jacob, and today we're diving deep into something that's literally reshaping our entire reality. And I'm not being dramatic here. We're talking about AI, but not the surface level stuff everyone's already talking about. Look, I know what you're thinking. Another AI video? Really? But hear me out. While everyone's out here treating ChatGPT like it's the final boss, we're literally just scratching the surface of what's possible. Today, I'm breaking down why using ChatGPT as your go-to AI is like using a Ferrari just to check your Instagram notifications. There's so much more happening in this space that's about to completely flip the script on everything we know. Let's be real for a second. ChatGPT is incredible. Don't get me wrong. It's like having that one friend who knows everything and never gets tired of your random 3 a.m. questions. Need help with homework? ChatGPT's got you. Want to brainstorm ideas for your next TikTok? It's there. Need someone to explain quantum physics like you're 5? Boom, done. But here's the thing that's been bugging me, and I think a lot of you can relate to this. We've gotten comfortable. Too comfortable. It's like when everyone was using Internet Explorer back in the day because it was just there. It worked, so why look for anything else, right? The problem is, while we're all cozy in our ChatGPT bubble, there's this entire universe of AI tools and possibilities exploding around us. And I'm not talking about slight improvements or minor upgrades. I'm talking about AI that can literally see, create, code, design, compose music, generate entire video games, and even help cure diseases. Think about it. When was the last time you explored beyond the basic chatbot experience? When did you last wonder, what else can AI actually do? Because trust me, the answer is going to blow your mind. All right, let's talk about what's really out there. First up, we've got Claude, which honestly feels like ChatGPT's more thoughtful, older sibling. This thing can handle way longer conversations, remember context better, and it's got this crazy ability to understand nuance that sometimes makes me question if I'm actually talking to a human. Then there's GPT-4 Vision, and this is where things get wild. We're talking about AI that can literally see and understand images. You can show it a meme, and it'll explain why it's funny. Show it your messy room, and it'll help you organize it. Upload a screenshot of code with errors, and it'll debug it instantly. Like we're living in the future, and most people don't even know it yet. But wait, it gets crazier. There's Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, creating art that's making professional designers question their career choices. DALL-E 3 is generating images so realistic that you can't tell what's AI generated anymore. And don't even get me started on Runway ML. This thing is creating Hollywood quality videos from simple text prompts. Here's what's really insane. There are AI models that can generate music in any style you want. Want a lo-fi hip-hop beat for studying? Done. Need a heavy metal song about your math homework? Weird, but absolutely possible. There's Suno, there's Udio, there's MusicGen, and they're all getting better every single day. And programming? Bro, GitHub Copilot is literally writing code faster than most senior developers. There's also Cursor, Replit, and Code-T5 that can build entire applications from just describing what you want. We're talking about AI that can create the next Instagram or TikTok just from you saying, I want a social media app for dog lovers. By the way, guys, there's a big reveal at the end of this video. Now let's talk about the specialized stuff. The AI that's solving real problems and changing entire industries while we're here asking ChatGPT to write our Instagram captions. In healthcare, there's AI diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than doctors who've been practicing for decades. DeepMind's AlphaFold solved protein folding, something scientists have been trying to figure out for 50 years. We're talking about AI that could literally help cure cancer, and it's happening right now. In science, AI is discovering new materials, predicting climate patterns, and even helping us understand black holes. There's AI designing more efficient solar panels, creating new batteries that could revolutionize electric cars, and finding ways to remove plastic from our oceans. But here's what really gets me excited: AI for content creation beyond just text. There's AI that can generate entire podcasts with multiple realistic voices having actual conversations. There's AI creating personalized workout plans that adapt in real time based on your progress. There's AI tutors that can teach you literally anything, adapting to exactly how you learn best. Gaming? AI is creating infinite, procedurally generated worlds that are unique every single time you play. Imagine Minecraft, but every block, every biome, every creature is generated specifically for your playstyle and preferences. That's not science fiction. That's happening now. And here's something that's going to sound crazy, but is totally real. There are AI companions that are so advanced. They're helping people with loneliness, anxiety, and depression. Not replacing human connection, but filling gaps and providing support when you need it most. Let's talk about creativity for a minute, because this is where AI gets really wild. We're not just talking about tools that help you create. We're talking about AI that's becoming genuinely creative partners. There's AI that can write entire novels, screenplays, and poetry that's winning actual literary contests. There's AI creating fashion designs that are walking down runways in Paris. There's AI composing symphonies that are being performed by major orchestras around the world. But here's what's really cool. It's not replacing human creativity, it's amplifying it. Imagine having a creative partner that never gets tired, never runs out of ideas, and can work in any style or medium you can think of. You can collaborate with AI to create things that neither humans nor AI could create alone. I've been experimenting with this myself. I'll have an idea for a video, and instead of just writing a script, I'll collaborate with different AI tools. One helps me refine the concept, another helps with the visual style, another creates background music, and another helps with editing suggestions. The final product is something I never could have created on my own, but it's still authentically mine. There are creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram who are using AI to produce content at a scale and quality that would have required entire production teams just a few years ago. And they're not just churning out generic content. They're creating genuinely engaging, personalized experiences for their audiences. So what does this actually mean for us? How do we take advantage of this AI revolution beyond just using ChatGPT for homework help? First, start exploring. Seriously, set aside 1 hour this week to try a new AI tool. Try generating art with Midjourney. Experiment with code generation using GitHub Copilot. Create a song with Suno. See what Claude can do that ChatGPT can't. The only way to understand the possibilities is to actually experience them. Second, think about combination plays. The real magic happens when you start combining different AI tools. Use one AI to generate ideas, another to create visuals, another to write copy, and another to optimize everything. You become the conductor of an entire AI orchestra. Third, consider how AI can amplify your existing skills and interests. If you're into photography, there's AI that can enhance your photos in ways Photoshop never could. If you're a musician, there's AI that can help you compose, arrange, and even master your tracks. If you're an entrepreneur, there's AI that can help with market research, business planning, customer service, and scaling your operations. But here's the most important part. Start thinking about problems you want to solve, not just tasks you want to automate. AI is most powerful when it's helping you do things that weren't possible before, not just making existing tasks slightly easier. Here's what I want you to take away from this. We're living through the biggest technological shift since the internet, maybe since electricity. But most people are experiencing it like they're using a Nokia brick phone when smartphones are available. And let's be brutally honest about something. While everyone's out here spending $100K plus on college degrees that might be obsolete by the time they graduate, the real skill that's going to matter is understanding AI and mastering prompts. I'm not saying education is worthless, but think about it. You can learn prompt engineering, AI tool mastery, and automation skills for free or for a fraction of what college costs. And these skills are literally what companies are desperately looking for right now. The difference between people who thrive in the AI age and those who get left behind isn't going to be a degree. It's going to be curiosity, adaptability, and knowing how to communicate with AI effectively. It's going to be the willingness to explore, experiment, and think differently about what's possible. ChatGPT is amazing, and it's a great starting point. But if that's where you stop, you're missing out on tools that could literally change your life, your career, and your creative potential. So here's my challenge for you. This week, try one new AI tool. Just one. Document your experience. Share it in the comments. Let's build a community of people who aren't just consuming AI content, but actually exploring and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. The question isn't whether you'll use AI, it's whether you'll use it to its full potential, or just scratch the surface. If you're serious about mastering AI and elevating your skills, make sure you're subscribed to AI Elevate Mastery, because we're building something special here. Every week, I'm breaking down the latest AI tools, sharing advanced prompting techniques, and showing you exactly how to leverage these technologies to level up your life and career. Hit that notification bell too, because this space moves fast, and you don't want to miss the breakthroughs that could change everything for you. I almost forgot about the big reveal, or maybe some of you have guessed it already. Yeah, that's right. I'm AI, and you have been watching a pure AI video. This is the power of the technology you need to learn and use in this new digital age. Thanks for watching AI Elevate Mastery. And if this opened your mind to new possibilities, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into mastering AI tools and elevating your potential. I'll see you in the next one.